Welcome back to Derail Valley. We're just coming up on 6 a.m. Do have a train set. Again, unfortunately, we'll be starting off in the dark time, but depending on what our forecast turns into, I guess round about now, looks like we'll have a pretty clear day. I have a lot of fish set up to bring down, sorry, not fish. I got some wood scraps to bring down to the sawmill, which is going to be these two jobs here. We're looking at a total of 920 tons with a length of 265.8 with the two trains. I've got the DE6 and the DH4 hooked up. Be 297 meters. And we're looking at a regular payout of about $46,000. Hopefully we can get the bonus on them. Go ahead and put that in our two slots here. And here we go. Go ahead and submit them. Go ahead out to the DE6. The DH4 sitting here. I'm not going to turn it on yet. I think we should be okay with the DE6 running down. Okay, we'll jump onto the back here. And actually, now that I think about it, handbrake's going to be on because I did sleep. Oops, wrong way. Yeah, I forgot when you sleep it actually sets all the brakes again. Gotta do that. Everything else should be fine. Put that on as the receiving. It says we still have a brake on, but it might be one of the front cars. That's not what I wanted. Hang on. Okay. Well, probably not getting the bonus on this one. Okay, I'm still showing a handbrake somewhere. Oh, I know which one it is. It's not a handbrake. It's actually our cutoff here. Our cutout. I did preset the route, but I will go through it again. Of course, we can set this to 300. That should be fine. And we'll get it going, hopefully. Are we not moving? Oh, wait. Turn that to 1. Now can we go? Does not look like it. Oh, might help if you turn the brake off. There we go. A little bit of power. Always something. DE6 might not be able to handle it. I mean, it's only 920. I know it can handle a good bit. I mean, it's got 3,000 on the flat, 1,200 on the 2% grade incline. I mean, it should be fine. Just takes a little bit to get it rolling. Alright, so down to the sawmill. We're in the food factory right now, so we'll be taking a left here, going through the oil refinery. We'll be taking a right, taking a left, going through City West, taking a right, coming down and going into the sawmill. Let's see what we got, 2.1% incline. Might be fine, I hope. Probably should have got that. It's more than a 2.5 there. Sitting on a +4. We're going to lose a lot of momentum here. Hopefully the single DE6 can handle it. And we are maxed out right now. Temperature going up, speed going down. There, just kicked us down a gear. Hopefully the rest of the train can make it up. And looks like we're barely dropping. We got hot. Might have to drop it another notch. Looks like we might be holding. Holding on speed. Temperature slightly going up. We'll keep an eye on it. Speed coming back down. Might have to go turn the DH4 on to get up the hill. Go ahead and back it down a notch. Something's not happy. Yeah, I should have gave it a little bit more oomph leaving. Didn't realize it was going to be this bad. I'm debating on making the run back to the DH4 to turn it on. Nope. It said it doesn't want to. Alright, let's go ahead and apply train brakes. Make sure we're sitting there. Go ahead and hop around. So give it time to cool off. Give it a crank. Okay. Everything looks good. Go ahead and run back to the D6. Stuck. What are you doing? I kept the throttle stayed on. Well, that wasn't enough time to let it cool down then. That's why it was so hard for the brake to kick in. We'll let it cool down some more before we get going again. Yep. Give it some more. Now the DH4 is kind of helping us push. Just hope I don't overheat it, because I don't have any protection set in place. All I can say is I hope this is the worst of it. Doubt it, because I think we still got to go uphill to get to the oil refinery. And then I think the rest is downhill from there. We got a 50. Barely made it to 20. Still climbing. Give it a little bit more power, see what happens. Hopefully I don't kill the DH4 back there. See what we got. 41 minutes. And 9 o'clock. Yeah, it's starting to get hot again. It's a 30. It's a good thing we don't have to slow down, because that's the way we're going. Looks like we finally made it to level ground there. Turn these brakes off now. Rest of the train still has to make it up though. And we got a decline. From here we can start our tracker. Actually start releasing the throttle. Almost through it. There we go. Gonna release the brakes, give it some more throttle. Speed limit of 60. There's 50. And we're on a downhill, so go from almost full throttle to brakes. That would be a long way down. Okay, 60 coming down. I'm gonna assume to a 40. Yeah. And with a fairly decent decline as well. Taking a left. There's the oil refinery. I was going to go through the B yard. And there is an open track there. Should be anyways. But I figure we'll go through the main line. Yeah, there was an open track, but pretty sure we can go 50 through here. But I don't want to chance it. We'll stay around 40-ish. Oh, yeah, slow her down. Wanted to come off there. Matter of fact, I'm gonna hit that. Seemed like 40 might have been a little bit too fast. So if I would have been doing 50, it would have definitely derailed. Oh wait. At 50. $80 coming down. Assume either 50 or 60. $60 coming up. Switch. Going to the right. Don't remember the speed of the switch. Okay, it's 40. I mean, 60. Why BH4 is not happy about something. $70 going down, or downhill, but up in speed. Make sure to mark that. We don't go above 60. At 90, be coming down. Turn that off. $70 coming up, gonna level out. An 80 with an incline and a decrease in speed. Should be coming down to a 60. More than likely. There's the 60. little bit of a hefty climb. At 10 coming down. Should say 100. Okay, so that should be fine. We'll be coming up to City West shortly. And that's going to be a 30K turn into a 20K. Definitely going to have to slow down for that. Coming down. So I just let off the throttle there. There's the 80 coming down. So I'm going to start throwing good brakes on there. I'm not sure why that's hot. There's 60. And at the switch it's going to be 30, so there's City West. A little bit of train brake. Okay. Start slowing down a little bit more. Maybe not yet. Still got time. Gonna be a long 20K run. There's the 20. With a 0.5% incline. So we'll give it some throttle here. Now it's going to go up to a 40. Still somewhat see the train at the back. Turn that. And we're still in a 40, so I'll start it again. Now we're in a 50. Most of our train's still in the 40. Well, it's not most of it. It just came out of the 40. And we're back down to 30. Still on an incline, but all the way from top to bottom, but average speed limit looks to be about 30 km. Back in the 50. I think the rest is still a 40. I got 60 coming down, but train's still in the 40. By the time we get to the next one, it'll be 40 again. It almost doesn't pay to even run that. Still have to stay at 40. There it is. Not even close to being through. I think this is coming up to the Sawmill. Should be taking a right, I believe. I think our first drop off is in C, if I remember correctly. Nope, gonna be left. So it could be that the little station is to the right. Yeah, that's what it is. Oh, so we're going into B first. So what I want to do, slow the train down here. Might have already gone too far. Might have already gone too far. I want to unhook DH4. Oh, perfect. What I want to do is turn this off if I can. There we go. And push that brake. Gonna release that. Now that should be fine. Once I go about 3 cars, start running the DH4 from the remote while I park this one. Hope it works. Okay, so we release all brakes. We'll run forward. We will turn this off. So as soon as that one passes through the switch, make sure we're clear here. We should be 3 eyes empty. Can't see it anymore. There it is. Yeah. Okay, well. Not exactly what I was looking for. Go about 120. Can hit that one. Sawmill. Got that one. And I can start releasing the brakes on that. Actually, release the throttle here. Brakes on. Can release the brakes there. Oh, but I think I got the uh-oh. I think I got the dynamic on. Alright, turn that off. Turn that off. Go ahead and take the drazine. Oop. And probably a derail. Yep. Well, there's your derail. Wrong way. Oop. Alright, well. Oh, wrong way. Thank you. Yeah, we definitely rolled back some. Oh, that's off. Okay, why can't... Oh, wait. Yep. That's why I wasn't going forward. I had the dynamic on. Okay, well, lesson learned. Probably not. Start applying the train brake. Okay, let's get the handbrake. Get the handbrake on one of these. And I'm pretty sure we didn't make the time bonus on it. Yeah. Missed it by 3 minutes. That's fine. There we go. It's wood scraps. We got some machine factory shunting, Harbor Town shunting. That's going back to goods factory in town. Of course, we got the 2 shunting jobs here that we just brought in, which might actually use the DM3 right there to do them. See how that's gonna run. Alright, so that'll be it. See y'all in the next one. Laters.